Yeah, the 1-0! Yeah, Van der Ven! Van der Ven! Van der Ven! You pussies! 1-0! 1-0! We did it, blood! We did it! We've been cooking these croissant merchants. What's man talking about? What's man talking about?
Come on!
Oh! Yeah! To the yes! Mickey Van der Ven!
It's fruit once.
Na. Mickey Van der Ven, Mickey Van der Ven. Na. Mickey Van der Ven, Mickey Van der Ven. Na. Mickey Van der
beautiful
Ven,
root one stuff.
Mickey Van der Ven.
Bakari with a long diagonal into Romero. It's head
Hey,
out.
Yes, come on, you Spurs.
Let's go.
That's right, Enrique. That's right.
Yeah. Romero, I love it. Allah. Ballos! Van der Ven! Mickey Van der Ven, Mickey Van der Ven. La. Hey! My two centre backs linking up like a 1-2 punch. Listen, they were saying, "Oh, you think your defence is better than Arsenal's? Look at my centre backs, goal scorers, clean sheets. This is what they do." Oh, yeah! Come on! Van der Ven! Come on! Van der Ven! Let's go! Let's go! Mickey Van der Ven, Mickey Van der Ven. Na. That's it, man. That's it.
Heroes won the header. He's flicked on. Yes! Come on! Oh my days, we are beating the European champions in the final. Oh my god, just hold on now. Oh my. Yes! Get in!
Pedro, back pass,
Romero! Yes! Romulan! My captain! My leader! He is a leader of men. He is the new Graham Roberts. It's the Rob.
Oh my gosh!
They call him Mr. Rombastic, heading fantastic. Come on!
Oh my lord!
And hit it up back.
That's what we've done.
Yeah, stop it.
Come on, Buenos Aires. Oh, hola.
Are you talking to Dreadlock?
Yes.
Rasta.
You understand, my brother? Come on.
Yeah, come on. That's right.
Mero!
There we go. Back post, same route. Oh! 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 Capitan! Let's go! That's why you give him the armband! Yo, that's why you give him the armband. Crown me. Crown me. Ain't no need for no second half. 2 minutes into that bitch. Give me my ring. I'm here. I'm ready to collect.
Poro finds Romero! Oh! Yeah! Come on! Romero! Come on! Come on! My captain! My captain! My captain! My captain! Let's go! My freaking captain, man!
What? Yeah! 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 Oh, Captain! Captain! Lioli?
Goal! Romero, captain साहब हमारे Romero goal, goal, goal! Captain जी Romero, yes, yes, yes! What a goal! What a goal! 2-0. PSG in the mud. Please tell me it's not an offside. My Capitan! Capitan! El Capitan!
Pedro Porro on the set piece. Ball goes into the box. Run! El Capitan! My centre back is in there with the fans. Yes! Oh my God! We're two. Have they disallowed it? Have they disallowed it? Oh, don't do this to us. Mate, he's not offside, ref. He's not offside.
Don't let him shoot. Don't let him shoot. Fuck's sake, blood. I said don't let him shoot. Fuck's sake. Who was that? Was that Vitinha? Oh my days, blood. Oh, blood. We gotta hold on. Like, you know what? I'm sitting down. No. You gotta be a man. Be a man, blood. Hold on, blood.
Again, he has been sensational in the midfield or in the middle.
Oh, no.
That one's not going to be disallowed.
He's been dangerous, Lee Kong-in. He's been dangerous.
5 minutes to go. Come on, Tottenham, hold out.
Because we've been
Put in the area. Oh, there it is. That concentration. That little bit of hope.
Is that Kang in?
It's Kang In, Lee Kang In.
Jeez.
2-1. And it was from the edge
It was
of the box.
Vitinha, though, who scored that?
No, Lee Kang In.
Kang!
Vitinha! Holy shit! How Vitinha just scored. Oh my gosh. Fucking hell, what a shot, bro.
Why, Kang-in? Why you? Oh, why?
Glory, glory, glory. Ball, bro. Goal. Lee Kang-in goal. I said it. I just said it. कौन विटिनिया था क्या? कौन था? ओ भाई. अरे भाई खंड. साखरी का अच्छा खासा टाइम चल रहा था.
Comes out to Vitinha. Comes out to Lee. Oh my God, what a goal. What a goal. Oh my God, it's squeaky bum time beyond belief. PSG have just scored. They got one back.
I knew it! I knew it! Oh, it's over! It's over! It's over! It's over! It's over! Oh my God! Only Tottenham, bro. Always, blood. Always.
Foul, lovely.
Get out, get out.
Tell,
3 minutes.
please, dude. God, I'm so pissed off with Tell.
No! You! Fuck you! Please tell you, lazy little.
No way. No
You
way.
lazy.
No way. No way.
Hey!
So whip across the box and it's a goal.
Blood fire.
Ah, that's all it takes, lads. That's all it takes.
Jeez.
Fuck's sake, man.
And it's Ramos.
And that's what I said. I said that's where they make their money. You know, top elite managers, they make those changes, and look what happens.
Do you think we needed to have made those changes earlier?
I think the changes is what's kind of killed us.
You reckon?
Yes. Like you said earlier, once the changes come on, we drop a level.
On the line. Body's on the line. Jed Spence, get on the right side.
And they're moving the ball around crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, man. Come on, boys. Come on. So close, bro. So close, man.
안 돼, 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 씨발!
Oh my God, it is going to penalties, it is going to penalties. No, 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 no. Nej.
Marquinhos to Hakimi. Oh shit. Oh no!
That was a very good penalty, blood. I'm not even going to lie. It's over. It's fucking over, blood.
There's every opportunity he's going to miss. He doesn't get anywhere near it, I think.
That we were the better team for 70 minutes. We were the better team for 70 minutes. If anything, we probably had better chances throughout the game, too, to maybe even make it more.
I can't believe it. It was
After
all in
being
our hands, bro.
2-0 up as well. It's going to be a long, long season.
Alright, bro, I'll be real. I've got to leave at 11. I'll be real. I'm doing the thing, obviously. I'm doing that. But I just let a man know. Let's go. Cut 11. I'll be
Nuno Mendes. You're a left back. Left backs don't take penalties. If I look at the probability of left backs I've seen take penalties throughout my life, I would say the percentage of left backs scoring penalties is about 0.14%. And of course, he scored the
One time! Why is it every time this club must do something like this to me?
Why? Why? Why?
PSG in the Super Cup, bro. It's so close. We just blew it, bro. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh, Vicario, Vicario, Vicario. Was that Mendes? Oh. Oh, no. No. No, 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 no. He's going to score. I don't believe what I've just seen.